This is the Sandbox course. This is the dashboard that we see when we first log in. On here on the left side, there's a lot of things to be graded. I can grade through the gradebook, or I can also grade right through here. So if I click on the sample quiz right here, I need to grade this quiz. It has 3 questions. 2 of them are already scored. So I need to grade the 3rd one. So I read that and he did great. And I'm going to submit that score. And then it automatically moves to the next one. So I can grade that way if I would like. I can also go back to the dashboard and go into the gradebook. And if I do that, it's going to show me a list of the students and all the assignments. So here's my list of students. This one student has already had one thing graded. Everything else is there, all the assignments, and they're divided into course for all assignments, or the different weeks here along the top: course, intro, week 1, week 2, conclusion. So I can do 1 week at a time if I want to. Down here at the bottom, it shows how many assignments are missing. So on the first one, no one's turned in that one, so obviously that one doesn't need to be graded yet. The next ones, it says that 1 is missing, and I believe that would be me, the online instructor. And it also has the grading down at the bottom, so I can see how many points each are worth. So I can grade from here. So if I want to grade, let's grade this person's sample discussion. So it's going to show the discussion. It'll show the things that he posted and the things that he replied to. So in red is this particular student. It shows everything I need to see, so I can grade his. And then I can submit that score. Now if I want to insert a template, I can. So for any kind of feedback here, so there's no templates yet. So if I add a template, and then I can put in here whatever I want to put. Save that, and it's automatically saved, and there is the feedback for me already. And so I can now go to the next one. So that one's graded, that person. I can also grade a sample assignment in week 1. So we'll go to the next one. If I just click on the icon, I can grade that one. So this one, is a rubric, so I need to score each one separately. So after I've read the document, which I can get by clicking on the student document, and then I can grade each part according to that rubric. I could also insert a template for feedback here, or notes if I want to. I can just put individual notes for each one without a template. I can submit that score, and that person now is graded. Let's see, and so that would be how I grade. I can also click on an individual student and just see what they have. So here's an individual student, shows the 3 things that the student has submitted. None of them have been graded yet, so let's grade this one. So here's a quiz, again, that I still need to grade. So this part right here, it graded 1 question, did not grade question number 2. So I need to grade that one, so I've read that one and decided it was a 2 out of 3. And then I can also insert a template. Another thing I can do now, if I want to add a different template, I can use one that actually puts the student's first name in it. So it looks more personal. So if I type enrollment first, then I can type in what I want to type in, and it automatically puts the student's first name there. Okay, up here on the top right, also there's different things. I can here view the gradebook, so I can go back to gradebook by clicking on that when I'm at a student. I can go back to a student. Here is the what if calculator. So this would be, okay, where a student can type in, what if I get 100% on the next test, what will that do to my grade? Which students are always wondering. The class statistics, I can pull up the class statistics. It's not there, but I would be able to pull this up when there's more things there. This is the weighting scale, so I can see how things are weighted, if different categories are weighted differently. And then the last one, the student's activity, so I can see when they logged on, how long they've spent on working on these different things online. I can go back to the gradebook, and I could finish grading whatever else needs to be graded, and it should all be there by the time I'm done. Over here, underneath the score, there are the students' scores so far. They don't have a lot graded yet, but those are the student scores, their grades, and then the next ones show the green dots and the red dots show how the student's doing. So the student with the red dot is currently failing the course, but the green dots means that they are passing, and the green dots in the second column means that they're all on schedule, so they've been turning in their work on time.